Ever open one of those gigantic law books
Yeah.
and wonder, like, who makes sure all of it is actually correct?
Yeah.
Every single word.
Right.
Like, we're talking laws that affect our lives here, so
It's kind of important.
yeah, it's very important that they're accurate.
Yeah.
So today, we're going to go behind the curtain of legal publishing with the Missouri Revised Statutes.
Okay.
And believe me, it's way more interesting than it might seem.
It really is fascinating. Like when you think about all the work that goes into something that we just take for granted, right?
Totally.
Like having a reliable version of the law.
Yeah.
An official version.
Yeah, so our deep dive starts with Section 3.090 of the Missouri Revised Statutes itself.
Okay.
Which lays out this whole process
Yeah.
for how they compare and certify and even put these statutes online.
Uh-huh.
And at the heart of all of this is this mysterious figure, the reviser of statutes.
Yeah, they're like the guardians of making sure it's all correct and legal. They oversee proofreading, comparing every single word to the original bills that were passed.
Oh.
Making sure that what they print is like the statute puts it a true and correct copy.
So this isn't just some copy and paste job.
Yeah.
This is serious business.
It's like legal brain surgery.
It really is.
Yeah, and it gets even more intense because once they've got the volume and it's accurate, the reviser personally certifies it.
Okay, so when we say certify, this isn't just like a thumbs up, like looks good to me kind of thing.
No, we're talking a signed statement
Oh, wow.
declaring that the entire volume is accurate to those original laws.
Wow.
And get this, they actually deposit a physically certified copy with the Missouri Secretary of State.
Really?
Like a real book.
Wow.
Becomes the official record.
Like a physical embodiment of the law.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
But what happens if we end up like in a court case
Right.
and there's like a dispute? And this is where that term prima facie evidence comes in.
Exactly.
Tell me more about that.
So that means that whatever is in those Missouri Revised Statutes, everyone's going to assume it's correct.
Right.
Unless someone can prove that it's not.
With like a lot of evidence.
With a whole lot of evidence.
That's so
Because
great, yeah.
that reviser's signature basically means this is the law.
Wow. So it carries a lot of weight.
A lot of weight.
Okay, so fast forward to today's world with websites and the internet.
Right.
It seems like the website should be the official document.
You would think so, right?
Yeah.
But here's the thing.
Okay.
Just putting it up on a website doesn't magically make it official.
Really?
Yeah, the reviser can certify the website,
Okay.
but it's like a separate thing they have to do.
It's an extra step.
It's not a given.
So even if it's on the reviser's website,
Right.
it's not necessarily like the gold standard, the official document.
Yeah, and that's kind of unsettling when you think about it.
It is a little bit.
Because we put so much trust in that little official edition label online.
We do.
But how do we know that it's gone through that same level of scrutiny and that meticulous verification that those physical volumes do?
It makes you wonder what other processes are out there that we just take for granted that really require this intense attention to detail.
It's this insane level.
Like we just assume things are correct.
Absolutely, and I think it speaks to the importance of accuracy in everything.
Oh,
Not just laws, but anything where getting it right really matters.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely. And it makes you realize next time you see a legal citation or you're on a website even,
Right.
think about the reviser of statutes
Yeah.
and their team.
The guardians of accuracy.
They are, because they're the ones making sure that the law is more than just words on a page.
They're the ones making it real.
They're the foundation of our society in a way.
It's true.
They are.
That's a good way to put it.
Well, thanks for this deep dive. It's fascinating.
This was fun.
I always learn something new.
You too.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Until next time.